According to recent data shared by the popular within the SHIB community Shiba Inu tracker, over the last 24 hours, the burn rate of these popular meme coins has exploded to reach a 1,351% level. Over 100 million SHIB burned. Per Shiba Inu, enthusiastic SHIB-loving individuals and entities have succeeded in removing a massive chunk of Shiba Inu from the circulating supply, 140,090,900 SHIB meme coins. It took 7 transactions to burn that amount of SHIB, with the largest one moving a whopping 100 million Shiba Inu. The second largest carried 17,988,231 SHIB. Image via Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu website shows that up to the present moment, the SHIB army has managed to dispose of 410,662,414,359,954 Shiba Inu coins, with 410,662,414,359,954 SHIB locked in staking pools. There are currently 589,337,585,640,045 Shiba Inu circulating on the market. Here's who stands behind 100 million SHIB burn. As reported by U.Today earlier this week, over the past 2 weeks, a massive amount of 550 million SHIB has been transferred to an unspendable wallet in several massive transactions. The initiator of these burn transfers turned out to be the @SHIB Dream account on the X social media platform. The people behind this account have launched a SHIB Dream collection of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on Layer 2 blockchain Shiba Inu and have been burning part of their profits from selling them. The social media marketing specialist of the SHIB team, who calls herself Lucy on social media, revealed the burner on the X app a few days ago. The user @SHIB Dream also launched the SHIB VIP social network in December 2022. SHIB official giving away NFT. The aforementioned Lucy took to the X app to announce that she is willing to give away a SHIB-themed non-fungible token to one of her followers, setting a competition for that. Lucy explained that she had gotten those NFTs in a giveaway from the newly launched SHIB magazine. They were granting the first 1,000 registered readers with NFTs of the magazine covers. Now, Lucy plans to choose a happy winner from those who leave comments under her post, writing about their favorite project on Shiba Inu or an idea for an NFT on Shiba Inu. Then, users need to make retweets of her repost and follow 2 SHIB-themed accounts named by Lucy. She will announce the winner on November 24th. Users have 2 weeks to try and win a SHIB-themed NFT from her. Shiba Inu experienced a significant surge in early Saturday trading, reaching intraday highs of $0.0000966 at the time of writing. The rally consolidated on the prior day's advance by bulls, which saw Shiba Inu gain a foothold above the daily MA200 barrier at $0.0000805, which constituted an impediment to Shiba Inu's price rise in the past week. As Shiba Inu seeks to flip this touted barrier into support, its price might be on course to erase a zero as bull's next target remains $0.0000134. Inflows for Shiba Inu have been strong this week, particularly from whales or large holders. According to Into the Block data, Shiba Inu is demonstrating a 627% surge in large holder inflows in this regard and time frame. Large holders inflow tracks funds flowing into whales' addresses and may indicate significant buying activity. Spikes in large holder inflows can indicate price bottoms, because whales prefer to buy in bulk after significant corrections. SHIB's price was reacting positively to the large holder inflow spike and was up 13.39% in the last 24 hours to $0.0000947 at the time of writing. Shiba Inu marked new achievements this week. Shiba Inu revealed the first edition of the SHIB magazine to its community this week, as well as a wonderful treat for early subscribers, 1,000 free NFTs of the first edition cover. The SHIB magazine, which is published weekly, would serve as users' gateway to groundbreaking ideas, latest innovations and fascinating updates within the Shiba Inu ecosystem and beyond. The Shiba Inu team also shared exciting news about the SHIB wallet, which has added a new and unique feature that helps users recover their wallets even if they have forgotten their seed phrases. The SHIB platform has also seen the integration of Web3 auth, which streamlines the user onboarding process to make it simple and easy. Dog-themed Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is seeing a massive spike in large transaction volume, with $65.87 million worth of SHIB moved in such transactions. Into the Block classifies as a large transaction any transfer of more than $100,000. The large transactions volume indicator in this example represents the total amount in crypto terms exchanged in such transactions. Large transaction volume indicates the total amount transacted by whales or large holders in a single day. Increases in large transaction volumes indicate that whales are actively buying or selling. In the last 24 hours, 8 trillion SHIB accounted for a large transaction volume, a massive spike from November 8's figure of 1.57 trillion SHIB. November 9th saw a massive surge across the crypto markets as Bitcoin rose near the $38,000 mark. Bitcoin's climb, buoyed by ETF optimism, gave a big lift to crypto assets across the market. Shiba Inu rode on the bullish wave, reaching highs of $0.00000872 in Thursday's trading before retreating. Other crypto assets that rode the Bitcoin price wave Thursday are also coming off their previous day highs. Shiba Inu gave back earlier gains and was down 5.31% in the last 24 hours to $0.000081. Shiba Inu Bitcoin correlation returns. Shiba Inu's correlation with the lead cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, seems to be returning. In the past few months, Shiba Inu's correlation with Bitcoin has declined, entering negative territory. Currently, this has reversed, as SHIB now has a positive correlation with the lead asset. The 30-day correlation coefficient between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin is now 94%, or 0.94, according to data from on-chain analytics firm Into the Block. Bitcoin's cost may next be a sell at least $110,000 as its new bull cycle plays out, a classic on-chain indicator suggests. Data from on-chain analytics platform Look Into Bitcoin shows Bitcoin's terminal price hinting at a possible six-figure top. BTC price to six figures next cycle? As BTC price action circles its highest levels in 18 months, forecasters are already considering how high it could go in the coming months and even years. After the next block subsidy halving in April 2024, targets include $130,000, with late 2025 being a popular deadline for the next cycle top. Analyzing its terminal price, Look Into Bitcoin creator Philip Swift described its value as a simple method of estimating long-term BTC price peaks. Terminal price is calculated from Bitcoin's so-called transferred price of value derived by dividing coin days destroyed, CDD, by the existing supply. CDD is a popular metric that measures how many dormant days are reset each time an amount of BTC moves on-chain. It is useful as a gauge of hodler intent and activity. Created by Checkmate, lead on-chain analyst at data firm Glassnode, terminal price comes into play at the top of each BTC price cycle. Not every all-time high reaches terminal price, but TCUS did hit the trend line during its 2017 all-time and initial peak in April 2021. The current all-time high of $69,000, seen in November of that year, fell short. Swift thus suggested that selling near terminal price would be a suitable policy. Its bear market counterpart, balanced price, likewise signals useful market bottoms. As terminal price increases with time, $110,000 may ultimately end up a conservative target should the next all-time high occur only later in the next cycle. Waiting on a Pi cycle crossover. In further analysis this week, Swift also highlighted the Pi cycle top indicator as providing reliable long-term high estimates. Pi uses two moving averages for its forecasts, with their crossovers heralding the next high albeit with just days' notice. The Pi cycle top indicator caught so many off guard last cycle, including myself, by perfectly identifying the top, again. Will it identify the Bitcoin top again this cycle? Swift queried. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision.